We are back again. Week number 28. We are going to try to do our best to make this video shorter, but it is going to be long. Okay, so bear with us. A lot of information coming your way. And as you can see, this is Schoology week 28. If we go into that folder, you have your usual, Mr. Plias.
We have our weekly video, which you guys can rewatch as many times as you want, which is also in your Delta Math for points. Make sure you watch it there. Then you guys have the Google Slides, which we go over in the weekly video, but it's there for you guys to go over as well. Then we have Scoop 37, Scoop 38, Assignment 37, Assignment 38, your quiz, which is a gift from us to you, and then a project number 2, which is How to Woman in Mathematics, and we are gonna go over that as well in this video, so make sure you guys are paying attention.
Okay, going to our slides. Hey, guess what? Tom and Jerry, one of the classics. Oh, another classic you guys may not have heard of. Speedy Gonzalez. Man, I used to love Speedy Gonzalez. Your agenda for this week, Scoop number 37, 38, just like Mr. Plies just stated. The Delta assignments 37, 38. Gift number 20, love our gifts. And project number 2. Mr. Plies?
Your learning objectives and standards of the week. Your learning objective, be able to define, add, subtract, and multiply a polynomial. Standards, as you guys can see, will be understand that polynomials form a system of analogous to the integers. Namely, they are closed under the operations of addition, subtraction, and multiplications of polynomials. For more information when it comes to that, chapter 7.1 and 7.2.
Scoops. So scoop number 37 is going to be naming and identifying polynomials, adding and subtracting polynomials, scoop number 38. And don't forget, in the class, we always give you time. When we go through them with you, you just have to make sure you write your correct answers, okay?
For your Do the Math, Scoop 37, as you guys can see there, we are titling this one, Types of Polynomials and Their Degrees. It says, please use the charts to name the type of polynomial, classify it based on its degree, and identify its degree. As you guys can see there, we guys have images that are gonna help you understand the types of polynomials, what they are called based on the degree, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Make sure you guys are paying attention to that. And then you guys have what it's not a polynomial. Okay, we give you guys a chart there. Pay attention to that because you will need it for your Delta Math assignments.
Please do take the time to read this through, okay? As far as what are not polynomials, what are polynomials. This is very important. Take the time to read these charts so you can get a good understanding, so you know what we're talking about in class. And again, these right here, this means the caret form. Remember that shift number 6. If you were to hit shift number 6, you would actually type this number. So because using this format, we can't actually do a shift number 6 and it'll give us a superscript. What it does is give us this caret. So this means Q to the 5th. Okay, so X to the 4th. So understand what these little carets mean. They mean exponents. Scoop number 38. Okay, so again, do the math. Please do the following problems. Use the examples to guide you. So here's some examples. We are just checking to make sure like terms. That's all we're doing here, making sure about like terms. Okay, so look at this example that's given to you here. You're checking to see the like terms. You can see the underscore, underline, little squirrels underneath it. And so when you combine, just combine the coefficients. The only thing you gotta watch out for here is the negative. Because this is negative, you have to distribute that negative first across. You can see the example right here where it says subtraction, and you have to distribute that negative across. Okay, so be careful on question number 1. Question number 2, straightforward. And again, this letter carets mean exponent form. Mr. Applies.
Your delta math, as you guys can see, is assignment number 37, polynomial terminology. Assignment number 38 will be adding, subtracting polynomial, and the intro to the box method, which you guys will learn about this week as well. Don't forget that your assignments are also, what was I gonna say? Due on Sunday. I was gonna touch that and then I forgot. We have quiz 20. Quiz 20, introduction to polynomials. Make sure you guys attempt it right away. Friday at 2:30, it opens up and you guys have until Sunday before 8 p.m. to turn it in to get full points. Don't lose that opportunity to get your full points, guys.
So last week, as you recall, we touched up on doing binomials. Remember 2 terms, binomials. We used the FOIL method, first, outer, inner, last. So this week, we're going to introduce you another method, which is the box method. Okay, so this is another method of doing the same thing that we did last week, FOIL method, but now we'll do the box method. And we'll talk about that in more details in class. All right, project number 2, women in mathematics. And this is going to be the rubric to it. We have all this on Schoology, and we'll move over to Schoology to show you the rest of this assignments for this week, which is the project. This project you're going to have until April 4th, after spring break. You're going to have plenty of time to take care of it. But here's the problem. Given the amount of time, some of you like to wait till the last minute. And some of you won't start until Sunday, the 4th, and try to get it done on time, and you lose points on it. It's a project. It's a big project. Okay, you don't have that many projects. So missing one project can affect your grade greatly. So get started early. Okay, get started early. And it's first come, first serve. Remember to use images on all your slides and detail. Give us as many details as possible on every slide. And you'll see what we're talking about in more details. Okay, we're gonna end the slides here and say that's all. There's Speedy Gonzalez. No one can catch him except me.